guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my slicked back ponytail kind of look. So thank you so much for subscribing, thank you so much for liking my videos, continue to comment, like, subscribe, all of that jazz, because it means so much to me. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all of that jazz is linked down below. So I'm not gonna sit here and talk too much. I'm just gonna get straight into this video so you guys can be slaying and looking bomb AF 24/7 every day of the week. Just slay. So yeah. So I just took my hair out of a bun and I'm just gonna add some moisture into it. I'm using coconut oil and I'm spraying my whole head with it, and then I'm gonna go in with a water bottle and spritz my hair some more just so I can get some more moisture going around, because my hair was in a bun for a couple days. So I'm like, okay, she's a little dry, she needs some moisture before I put her in a bun again. So I'm going in with some eco styling gel and I'm just gonna put this on top of my hair, and it's going to help me kind of slick back my hair a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with some Gorilla Snot, which is one of my favorite products that I use. It really helps me get my hair laid down and controlled, because my hair is hard to tame sometimes. It doesn't cooperate or listen. So then I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be glue, and I like to use this stuff as well because I feel as though it helps me lay my hair down some more and my edges. And then you're gonna see me go in with a brush, and I'm going to lay all of my hair down and brush it back into a little bun in the back. I got these really big hair ties from Target. They are amazing because I normally break hair ties, but I haven't broken one of these because they're extremely large. So they were a very good investment. So after that, I'm going to go in with another hair tie just to make sure that my hair is completely secure. And then I'm going in again with my Gorilla Snot, and I'm just going to keep kind of repeating this process to make sure that my hair is completely slicked back. Next, I'm going to go in with my little edge control, like little brush thing that I have. I got it from the beauty store. It was only like $1 or $2. So I'm going to go in and create my baby hairs or edges, whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to go in and do this process. So as you can see, this is just kind of the method I use to give myself some edges and just kind of to lay the front parts of my hair down. So I kind of just keep doing this until I am satisfied with the way it looks. Normally when I do my hair, and if I'm like actually trying, it will take me like sometimes 10 minutes to get this whole process down. It just depends on how picky and how indecisive I'm being that day. So towards the end, when I'm done, I go back in with some Gorilla Snot and I go over what I already kind of did, just to make sure that everything's going to stay in its place. What I've noticed is I don't really lay my edges. I don't really have to sometimes because of all the gel that I use. Like, there's no need, but everybody's different. So if you want to lay your hair, go ahead, lay your hair for a couple minutes and you're good to go. So I just wanted to do like a voiceover for the beginning part, since I was like doing my edges and I normally like need to concentrate. So this is the finished look. This is kind of how I like lay my edges in the front when I do a slicked back like ponytail kind of look. I normally just kind of curl these. Actually, I almost forgot. Oh, I want them more So yeah, so as you can see, it's a slicked back bun, and this is my hair. So yeah, when I don't feel like putting in fake hair, I'll just do my hair like this and just wear it, not a problem. But if you know me, I'm extra and I like wearing fake hair and ponytails. So I have 3 ponytails that I own, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like so you guys can get some ideas of what kind of ponytails you might want to get, because they're so much fun. So my first ponytail is the one that I've had the longest. I'm going to show you. She's curly. She's really curly. She looks like this. This ponytail probably blends best with my hair texture, because when I slick my hair back, I get waves, because it's just my hair texture. Like, regardless how much gel I put in my hair, I'm going to end up with waves. It's gonna happen. But I really like this ponytail because she's curly, and she's fun and she's cute. So I'm gonna show you guys. You know, there's always the clip up here, and then they have the clip in the back, and then they have the string so you can tighten your ponytail. So I'm gonna put her on. Literally just go like this. I'll go to the side so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna get the clip in the back. You grab the drawstring and then just make it as tight as you please. And then this drawstring, you're gonna wrap it around your ponytail. Oops, where'd it go? You're gonna wrap it around your ponytail so it's like secure. Just kind of wrap it. Sometimes I tuck it, sometimes I use bobby pins, it depends, but most of the time I kind of just like tuck it. So then you're gonna get some hair, and you're gonna wrap the hair around the ponytail, just so I do this because it makes the ponytail tighter, so you know, like, she's not coming off or anything. So I do that, and then I'll do that on the other side, and then when you look at it, you'll see like your hair is like wrapped around. Or if you want, if you have like a cute scrunchie, I think I have one actually. Where is it? It's a question. Can't find it. But if you have like a really cute scrunchie, like I love scrunchies, like if you have a cute colorful scrunchie or something, you can put that back there, and then you can have a little look. But this is kind of what it looks like. So yeah, this is the first ponytail look. I love it. It's super natural looking, like it's just really pretty in my opinion. So normally what I do to maintain this hair, you know, you put some water in it to bring it like back to life, but I also go in with my coconut like oil, my coconut shine stuff, and I run this through the hair to make it feel a little softer and just to give it some shine. So I got this ponytail from the beauty store. I just walked in one day and I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is really pretty. It was only like $12.99, so it was really only like $13, and I was like, that is such a steal. So I bought it and I love it, and I wear this all the time. I'll put my hair in a bun with it. I'll do my slicked back ponytail with it. So yeah, this one. This is probably my favorite one that I have. I probably wear this ponytail the most. The that I have is kind of curly too. She's longer. She has some waves to her. It reminds me of kind of like a braiding hair almost. It has some waves. You know, the more water you add, the more defined it is. So about this long. So I'm literally, it has the same thing, the clips here, clip in the back, and the string. So I'm gonna put it on the same exact way I put on the first ponytail. So you literally just get it back. Wrap it around like so. Same as before, it's literally the same method. And then I'm just gonna grab some hair and just wrap the hair around. on however much you want. So, you know, add a scrunchie, a hair tie if you want to, depending on whatever you want to do. So this is what it looks like. She's longer. I want to show you guys like how long she is without like, she's about like here. I would do the same thing, just add more water to it, put some oil, coconut oil in it, and you're good to go, and you have a cute other look. And the same with this. I put it in a bun, put it in a high ponytail. Me personally, I like slick back ponytails. I like high ponytails, but I personally just like slick back like ponytails better than high ones. I don't know why, just personal preference. So yeah, lastly is this most recent ponytail I just bought. Guys, I buy here all the time. She's long and straight, and you can add heat to her. So I'll get like my flat iron and I'll straighten her if I want her to look like extra straight. I like this ponytail. I personally prefer curly ones just because of my hair texture, and I've been wearing my hair natural for I don't know how long. It's been a couple years now. I haven't put like heat on my hair, so I've just been doing like wearing wigs, doing different little hairstyles, because me personally, I like to switch up my hairstyle constantly. I'm just one of those people where I can't have the same like hairstyle for too long. I just need to switch it up. Crochet, wigs, ponytails, like whatever it is, I'm constantly switching up my look, and I'm just really indecisive, so there's that. So here she is. It's the same thing. She has this, and then the one in the back, and then the string. I'm trying to see the name. Okay, so this is Shake and Go. So if you go to the beauty store, like there's a section where they just sell like ponytails, and a lot of them are Shake and Go. I think this was I'm trying to think of the name. Ebony? I'm not sure. So I'm gonna do the same thing. So this is it. Get a close up. So she's long. She does get tangled though, but I haven't worn this in a couple days. I have a bandeau on, guys. Don't worry. I'm not naked. So yeah, so she's a straight one.